What's good, guys? It's me again, C from Soul Search, back with another video. Super excited. I picked these up today. As you can tell by the logo, yes, the Jumpman logo, it is a Jordan. What we have here is the Jordan 5 Toro Bravo grade school 7 pair. I got my size coming tomorrow, so I just wanted to do this quick video of this pair to see what it's hitting for. All right, we got both pairs here. Definitely a great looking shoe. You can look at the details. Quality is really nice compared to those Jordan 5s that dropped a few years back. I think like 2016 or 18, but these are pretty good. Comes with red laces installed, clear lace locks, 3M tongue, of course, Jumpman on the back. I know people really love the Nike, but we have the Jumpman logo. Embroidered 23 on the sides of both of the heels. And of course, you have your black and icy blue soles underneath, all right? So I just dropped my pair off here at the Sole Broker. If you're interested, it's a size 7. You can stop by here and pick them up. So I'm just letting them live here for a while. You'll see an updated review on an adult men's sizing pair when it comes in. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me at Soul Search C on all social media platforms. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.